Hello, I'd like to talk to you today about an inexpensive way that I reuse my old canvases. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So I have this old canvas back here that I'm going to be covering it up. And what I do is I use a roller and I take just regular old flat house paint and joint compound. And I mix it together 50-50 and I just roll it on my old canvases. Now this canvas was done with just acrylic paint. And this works really nice. It covers it up. After it dries, if you like to gesso it, you're more than welcome to do that. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Let me know if this helps you. So, until next Tuesday, bye-bye.